Hi friends, welcome to Abhiyanvi tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to hide the values for Western region values. For example, I have a matrix here. So rows are category and below that subcategory is there. Below that segment is there. Okay. Then columns is region. Then values are some of the sales values. So I want to hide the values of Western region for all segments. Okay, so this is category, this is subcategory, these are the segments. For all segments I want to hide the Western region sales. Okay, so let's see how to do that. We'll write a new measure. Okay, so measure, we will use the ISINSCOPE function. Okay, so that means ISINSCOPE means if it is in hierarchy levels, that hierarchy is present, then it will return the true. Okay, so ISINSCOPE. Okay, so this function we'll use. So first we'll write if condition. If ISINSCOPE is in scope. Okay, so column name is segment, right? So column name is segment. Okay, so if it is in the scope and the region is Western region. Okay, so we have to give a AND condition here. So let's give a AND condition here, and okay, comma. So region is Western region. So let's use the selected value of region. Okay, equal to Western region. Okay, then close the AND bracket. So so what is the true condition for if? Then I want to display blank here. Okay, okay, else sum of the sales. I want to display the sales. Okay guys, okay, so here what is happening is in scope order segment means if the segment is in the hierarchy level, it will return the true. That means we are concentrating on these segments, these and these segments. And Western region is if the region is Western, then I want to display blank, otherwise some of the sales. Okay, so let's apply the measure and let's remove the sum of the sales and put the measure. Okay guys, like this you can get the blanks here. Okay, so you can hide the values wherever you want using this DAX function. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel Abhiyanvi tutorials for more such videos. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.